This is Olivia. Olivia was about to leave for work when she realised she couldn't get her garage door open. In a panic, Olivia called AGG Doors for some help. The friendly staff talked Olivia through on how to get her door open over the phone so she could still get to work on time. Now that the door was open, Olivia arranged a convenient time for one of their experienced technicians to come out and sort out her garage door problems. As Olivia works full-time, she was super happy that AGG Doors even offered to come out on a Saturday, so she didn't have to take any time off. Olivia received a confirmation email with the day and time of her appointment, as well as a phone call prior to AGG Doors' friendly technicians arriving on site. AGG Doors technicians had the problem diagnosed and fixed in no time at all, and left Olivia with her garage door in working order and with some tips on how to maintain the door and opener in the future. Olivia gives AGG Doors her stamp of approval and recommends them for everything and anything to do with garage doors.